Kinetic Carl here, my super secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders. Wheeled out the Hoosier Daddy sculpture and cleaned the garage. And it's been a while since I've done this. Let's see if I can pedal this thing by myself. Just a little explanation, I guess. It's all-wheel drive if I lock the front hub. And I've got a custom-built 3-speed transmission here. That's highway gear there. Then we've got like a hilly but not super steep hills. And then we've got granny gear, you know, for dunes and steep hills. And it's all shiftable from up front at the pilot seat. Right now, I'm going to try to see if I can slip it into the highway gear. That's our tallest gear. Just climbing up on the tire as using it as my ladder. Put one foot on a pedal here, swing through, and there we go. I'm on board. Upside down image here of me showing you my feet down there. We're in neutral right now, so if I'm pedaling and I pull up on this, there, we just engaged, and now when I pedal, the machine actually moves. This part, I'm going to see if I can just I need both hands to do this. I got to steer. Right now the steering is turned to the shop, so you're just going to get a view of the ground as we move along here. Maybe for a hunk of metal, depending on where I put the camera. All right, so that's looking at the ground, and what I'm doing is steering as quick as I can while pedaling just a teeny bit, hoping to miss hitting the corner of the garage. It's 2,000 pounds of kinetic sculpture. I didn't put my cleats on. I don't know if that fence is showing up. Can't really see it from here. I mean, as far as on the camera, looks like we're just gonna clear the corner. Here, I'll pick up the camera here. Sorry if I whip you around fast. There's the corner of the building, the Hoosier tire, and of course me winded. Yeah, thank you, Cancer. I'm just gonna put you back down here while I try to grind through this. I think the tire is clearing the fence. I don't hear scrunching. We're almost over the hump. There we go. I'm literally making one tire climb about an 8 or 9 inch high hill right here, so that's why I'm struggling. It's not flat ground. We're getting there though. The alley's now something. And I'm gonna park it there and show you what I just moved. Again, a 10 pilot, all-terrain, human-powered RV without the art. So it's not an art V, it's just an RV. 8 people sit in the back and 2 up front. Everybody has their own gears up to 24 speeds, except for the main pilot. There's actually 72 speeds there at this seat right here. And that's so that I can do what I just did here, which is I'm pedaling a 2,000-pound quad by myself, and I just went off-roading solo over all that lumpy business there. You can see the grass is all mashed down. And then it kind of swoops into the alley, so I did get a little help at the end with the slight hill, but in my favor. But there she is. That's the water propulsion. It swings down into the water, and from up here we can engage and disengage that propeller. There's also a method for steering it just using those handlebars there. That person on the right is the water pilot. They raise and lower it using that blue handled crank right there. That'll, right now it's up. They can release it, it swings down into the water and locks, and then they can engage the propeller to all these people pedaling, all 10, and it propels us. We also have another bow thruster we can add to it if we really want to. It's pretty complicated to master getting it in there, but it sticks right through the middle of everything with a big propeller on the end, and it just happens to lace its way through nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna hang up here and put the thing in neutral and roll it back and get ready to stuff it back in the garage. Got to do a little sweeping in the garage, a little more, but yeah, just a little spring cleaning in the old shop.